Disasters or catastrophe, whatever we say, no one have the power to stop it. Assam, a state prone to the flooding and erosion, was inundated with flooding and the resulting landslides for the past 2-3 weeks. The situation of the flood became significantly worse with the increasing fatality rate. Silchar, the second largest city of Assam, almost got devastated due to this flood. The situation was really unprecedented. But as we say, no one is useless in this world who lightens the burdens of another. In this regard, we, the Academia management, decided to extend our helping hands for the needy victims at the hour of catastrophe during this flood. We started a 2-day campaign naming Flood Victims Amelioration Programme and tried our best to help the necessitous with drinking water and some food items. We hope everyone will recover soon from their miseries. May the Almighty bless everyone.